As we strive for the best electric vehicle in the world, we are also making sure that we are providing a true luxury Cadillac.
EV luxury is something that takes care of you when you least expect it. It's walking up to a vehicle and have it welcome you and really awaken all of your senses.
When you approach the LYRIQ interior, the first thing that'll be prevalent to you is the beautiful curved 33-inch display. It's just a stunning display. It feels like you've purchased a high-end TV in your living room.
We have graphics that go all the way to the edge. The beautiful colors, and the fact that this is a battery electric vehicle, the UX team did a beautiful job.
Years ago, we would make it obvious that it's an EV, bright greens, bright blues, your battery gauge is huge. When we're working on EVs with a brand like Cadillac, it has to be sophisticated, it has to be elegant. We know from speaking to our customers and doing research clinics that generally EV customers kind of fall into two different categories. There's people who are really into the data and want to make sure they understand everything that's happening with their vehicle. There's also the other side of customers who maybe don't really need all that data and just want to be assured that everything's okay. And with the infotainment system and the LYRIQ, you're able to get as much information or as little information as you are comfortable with.
Technology has always been a key element in Cadillacs, and the LYRIQ is no exception.
Traditional heads-up displays have one plane of information that makes it look like graphics are floating on the hood. This new dual-plane HUD has two different planes of information. One looks like it's floating on the hood, and another looks like it's floating on the road. The near plane will be really crucial information like your speed. That far plane will be things like navigation, turn by turn. It's a step beyond anything we've ever done before.
When it comes to the audio system that we have in the LYRIQ, it's a 19-speaker AKG studio. Our goal was to transport the customer into our recording studio. To establish that emotional connection with your system, with AKG, is the right brand for Cadillac.
Often designing new features that you don't fully understand yet is a challenge. Super Cruise is a great example.
Super Cruise is the industry's first truly hands-free driver assist system. We introduced it in 2018 on the Cadillac CT6, and it'll be coming to the LYRIQ. We've added many new features to Super Cruise, the biggest one being our lane change on demand feature, where the driver can actually request a lane change and then the vehicle will execute the lane change on its own.
When the customer is using Super Cruise, it's very important that the customer feels safe. Using this new high-resolution display, using real-time rendering of 3D graphics, we're able to provide that safety information.
The components that make Super Cruise actually function, some of them appear on the interior side, and we design them to be so seamless for the customer that we give them all the space and comfort that they expect in a luxury product.
The company-wide collaboration that has taken place between exterior design, interior design, color and trim, the user experience studio, all these different team members working together collaboratively has shown us that there's a lot more we can do to make a much more polished and finished product.